This session, we'll be learning about how to make use of an union and union all clauses. So here we have in this catalog database an employee one table is primary increment auto ID be that within name within Vacha, city within Vacha, age within, profession within Vacha, and pin code within Vacha. Pin code can be made as int as well. Now here what happens is that we are creating another table called employees. So employee one and employees should have the same kind of that declaration of the name fields as well as the character types if you want to go for union and union role. If any mismatch of the corresponding fields with respect to table happens, then this union and union role will be showing a compilation defect. So here we have to strictly take care of at least the character type to be same. Now here what happens is that when we here particularly it's more better to take even the field's name also the same things. So here what you have to take main the difference between union and union role is that union role is the superset and union is just the intersection point. We are just not interested in getting the repetitive flow of the numbers. For example, we can see that in an employees table, there is a 15 Karl Marx Africa 50 doctor and the 5348888 as the pin code given. And then we can see when we visit this employees table as well. So we can see that in the employees table also, we can see with the 15 with Karl Marx Africa 50 doctor and 534888. In case if you're using an union all, there'll be repetitive of the two fields coming up. So you use catalog go because catalog is the database name corresponding to the two tables and the select all from the employee one, union all, select all from employees. These are syntax-wise representation. Now, when we execute, we can see union all is going to take the superset. That means both the 15 will be having a repetition. We can see the 15 is coming twice. So 15 for Karl Marx is coming up once. See, there is a 15 for Karl Marx Africa 50 doctor. So that will be repeating here. So again, there's a repetition of 15 Karl Marx Africa 50 doctor. So this 50 with Karl Marx, we have a repetition with the 15 in Karl Marx here. 15 Karl Marx. And here with another one over here. 1815 Karl Marx Africa. This is the repetitive of the two numbers coming up with respect to all the fields in that particular table. So now we can, if you take just select all, we remove that all factor, and when we give an execute, we can see that that 15 just comes only single time. That is 15 Karl Marx Africa 50. And there's no other Karl Marx coming up after that. See, there's no other 15 Karl Marx appearing anywhere in the table. That means it is taking the intersection point of all the fields with respect to the two tables. So that is how we can differentiate between a union and union all. Union all will take the repetitive factors, union will take only the intersecting factors, not the repeating ones.